Hello students, welcome to UGC NT revision course series for political science. Topic is Vivekananda. This is part 2 of the topic. In part 1, I have already discussed about many questions related to Vivekananda. In part 2, I will discuss about the travel of Vivekananda to various places because travel to various places is one of the most important incidents in Vivekananda's life. In this video, I am going to discuss through MCQ, 1 mark questions and detailed information. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start with this part. During 1888 to 1893, Swami Vivekananda traveled throughout India. Three things were his only companion: Kamandal, Bhagavad Gita, and these are the options. What is the correct answer? Now the correct option is option C, the book Imitation of Christ. Apart from this, you should also know some important facts about the travels of Swami Vivekananda for attempting many indirect questions from this section. He started his travel in 1888 as a Parivrajaka, the Hindu religious life of a wandering monk. His sole possessions were a kamandalu, a staff, and his two favorite books, the Bhagavad Gita and the Imitation of Christ. He traveled for 5 years. During his travels, he met Hindus, Rajas, Muslims, Christians, government officials, etc. He started his travels from north. In August 1888, his first destination was Varanasi, where he visited the places where Gautama Buddha and Adi Shankara preached, and met Bengali writer Buddhadev Mukhopadhyay and Hindu saint Trailanga Swami. He also met Sanskrit and Vedic scholar Babu Parmadadas Mitra, with whom he corresponded on the interpretation of Hindu scriptures. These three peoples are also very important for exam perspective. After meeting Vivekananda, Mukhopadhyay said, "Such vast experience and insight at such an early age, I am sure he will be a great man." After leaving Varanasi, he visited Ayodhya, Lucknow, Agra, Vrindavan, Hathras and Rishikesh. Now you should try to frame some supplementary questions from this section for making your preparation perfect. From which direction and place Vivekananda started his travels and in which year? The answer is in August 1888. Swami Vivekananda started his travels from Varanasi in north. Then, which places Narendranath visited in Varanasi? Can you give this answer? Narendranath visited the places where Gautam Buddha and Adi Shankara preached, with whom Narendranath met in Varanasi. Narendranath met Bengali writer Buddhadev Mukhopadhyay, Hindu saint Trilanga Swami, and Sanskrit and Vedic scholar Babu Parmadadas Mitra, who said about Vivekananda, "Such vast experience and insight at such an early age, I am sure he will be a great man." Bengali writer Buddhadev Mukhopadhyay. After leaving Varanasi, which places Vivekananda visited to? After leaving Varanasi, Vivekananda visited Ayodhya, Lucknow, Agra, Vrindavan, Hathras and Rishikesh. On the way to Haridwar in September 1888, Narendra stayed at Hathras, where he met Sarat Chandra Gupta, a railway station master, in the railway waiting room. Vivekananda called him the child of my spirit. He decided to renounce the world and became a disciple of Narendranath. Narendra and Gupta left Hathras together. Let us discuss some supplementary questions for making your revision perfect and getting the precise and depth knowledge about the topic. Where did Narendranath stay while on the way to Haridwar in September 1888? You try to give the answer on your own. Answer is, on the way to Haridwar in September 1888, Narendra stayed at Hathras. Whom did Narendra meet in Hathras and in which place? In the railway waiting room, Narendra meets Sharat Chandra Gupta, a railway station master. After leaving Hathras, Narendra and Gupta visited to which places? After leaving Hathras, Narendra and Gupta first went to Haridwar and from there travelled to Rishikesh on foot, where Narendra initiated Sharat Chandra Gupta into sannyasa and was named Swami Sadananda. In Rishikesh, Narendra initiated Gupta into sannyasa and was named Swami Sadananda. Whom did Vivekananda call the child of my spirit? The answer is Sharat Chandra Gupta. Now, meeting with Pavahari Baba is one of the most important incidents during Vivekananda's travels. Between 1888 and 1890, Swami Vivekananda visited Vaidyanath in Allahabad. On 18th January 1890, he went from Allahabad to Gazipur and met Pavahari Baba, an Advaita Vedanta ascetic who has spent much of his time in meditation. Initially, he wanted to become his disciple, but before his initiation, Swami Vivekananda had a dream in which Ramakrishna looked at him with a melancholy face. This dream convinced Swami Vivekananda that no one other than Ramakrishna could be his teacher, and he abandoned the idea of becoming Baba's disciple. Let us discuss some important questions for knowing about your preparation status. If you know the answer, then you try to give the answer on your own. When did Swami Vivekananda visit Vaidyanath in Allahabad? Between 1888 and 1890, Swami Vivekananda visited Vaidyanath in Allahabad. Where did Vivekananda meet Pavahari Baba, an Advaita Vedanta ascetic who has spent much of his time in meditation, and when? On 18th January 1890, Vivekananda went from Allahabad to Gazipur and met Pavahari Baba. After meeting Pavahari Baba, what relationship Swami Vivekananda wanted to develop with him? After meeting Pavahari Baba, Swami Vivekananda wanted to become his disciple. What convinced Swami Vivekananda that no one other than Ramakrishna could be his teacher, and he abandoned the idea of becoming Baba's disciple? A dream the night before Swami Vivekananda's initiation, in which Ramakrishna looked at him with a melancholy face, made him convinced that no one other than Ramakrishna could be his teacher, and he abandoned the idea of becoming Baba's disciple. During the first half of 1890, after the deaths of fellow Ramakrishna disciples Balarama Bose and Suresh Chandra Mitra, Narendra returned to Baranagar Mutt because of ill health and to arrange for the Mutt's financial support. After finishing his work in July, he left the Mutt and started journey for the Himalayas. This continued the first phase of his journey, which would bring Swami Vivekananda to the west. He visited the sacred sites of Nainital, Almora, Srinagar, Dehradun, Rishikesh and Haridwar. These places you should remember in chronological order. During these travels, he met Swami Brahmananda, Saradananda, Turiyananda, and Advaityananda. At the end of January 1891, Swami Vivekananda left his colleagues and travelled to Delhi. Let us discuss some important questions from this section. These all questions will make your preparation concrete. When and why did Narendra return to Baranagar Mutt in mid of his travels? During the first half of 1890, after the deaths of fellow Ramakrishna disciples Balarama Bose and Suresh Chandra Mitra, Narendra returned to Baranagar Mutt because of ill health and to arrange for the Mutt's financial support. When and with whom Vivekananda resumed his travel for throughout India. After finishing his work in July 1890, he left the Mutt accompanied by fellow monk Swami Akhandananda for the Himalayas. Which sacred sites Vivekananda visited during the travels for Himalayan states? Vivekananda visited the sacred sites of Nainital, Almora, Srinagar, Dehradun, Rishikesh and Haridwar. With whom Vivekananda met during the travels of Himalayan states. During the travels of Himalayan states, Vivekananda met Swami Brahmananda, Saradananda, Turiyananda and Advaityananda. After completing the first phase of his journey, Swami Vivekananda headed to which direction? After completing the first phase of his journey, Swami Vivekananda headed to the west. What stuffs Vivekananda did during his stay in Meerut? Vivekananda stayed in Meerut for several days, engaged in meditation, prayer and study of the scripture. When did Vivekananda travel to Delhi? At the end of January 1891, Swami Vivekananda left his colleagues and travelled to Delhi. Please like, share and subscribe. In part 3, Vivekananda's travel to Rajputana will be discussed.